Dilo Coconut Hydrating Mask. Our Dilo Coconut Hydrating Mask is made with our botanical blend of cold-pressed seed oils, virgin coconut, macadamia, sakethe, and Dilo oils, in addition to Dilo leaf and Totondro beech almond leaf hydrosols. They're really going to put essential vitamins and nutrients in the skin, high in antioxidants, going to protect the skin from free radicals, also really going to help smooth fine lines and wrinkles and regenerate skin cells. In addition to that, knee-grass, increasing cellular water flow and moisture holding power, and an anti-aging peptide, which is going to help smooth and plump the skin, stimulating collagen and smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. In addition to that, passion flower extract, really soothing, calming, and a natural sebum regulator, and plant collagen, galactobarynan, increasing the skin's ability to retain moisture and smoothing fine lines and wrinkles as well.